Have you ever considered the fact that the car you drive could be a potential target for hackers? A thought-provoking question indeed. As technology advances, we are witnessing the rise of artificial intelligence in many sectors, and the automotive industry is no exception. Cars are becoming more than just a means of transportation. With AI, they're evolving into sophisticated machines capable of self-diagnosis, self-navigation, and even self-driving. But with these advancements come potential threats. Imagine a scenario where a hacker gains control of your self-driving car or manipulates its navigation system. Scary, isn't it? That's why the security of AI in cars is of paramount importance. It's not enough to merely incorporate AI. We must ensure that these systems are robustly secured against hacking attempts. As we steer towards a future where cars are more connected and intelligent, AI security in cars becomes not just a luxury, but an absolute necessity. After all, the safety of our journey depends on it. So, what exactly is AI security, and how does it work? Well, think of it as a virtual guardian, always vigilant, always ready to protect its charge from any potential threats. At its core, AI security employs artificial intelligence to identify and neutralize cyber threats before they can cause harm. The process begins with encryption. This is like turning your data into a secret code that only specific people can understand. Next, we have authentication, which is like a secret handshake that verifies the identity of the users trying to access the system. But that's not all. AI security also involves continuous monitoring and learning. It's like having a watchful owl that never sleeps, constantly scanning for any signs of danger. It learns from every encounter, becoming smarter and more adept at spotting threats over time. In essence, AI security is a complex yet vital component in ensuring the safety and functionality of our increasingly AI-dependent vehicles. What kind of threats are we talking about here, and how can we mitigate them? When it comes to